Let's use non-stick. Let's go. And then look in the mirror. Right here because part. For it, I will use this. Don't put a lot of cream because this is not washable at all. Not washable. That's good. The cream over my face because I have some whitenings over here. So I put a lot over here. This stay in the aircon for 24 hours. It melts and look at that face, girl. Your face has some lips. Look at my hair. So scrunchy. Ah! Andi! I'm sure gonna put us this on the sa katulong shampoo to our face. It's just...
Tara, hindi. Hindi, ganito. Okay na.
Tingin!
Isa pa.
Ayoko, patingin! Patingin!
Isa pa, Sarah Jane. Isa.
Patingin!
Isa na kasi.
Patingin!
Doon ka na.
Patingin! Patingin!
Para kang buang.
Patingin!
Dala mo na.
Patingin!
Isa pa. Isa pa, dalawa. Papasok na si ano.
Ay, sir, pa rin.